Alright, we are in section 3.7, equation of lines in the coordinate plane. Let's look at the solve it. Ski resorts often use steepness to rate the difficulty of their hills. The steeper the hill, the higher the difficulty rating. Below are sketches of 3 new hills at a particular resort. Use each rating level only once. Which hill gets which rating? Explain. Alright, so you have to look at how steep it is. But how can you do that without actually measuring it? So, we are going to review slope. Alright, so there are 2 different forms. The slope-intercept form, as you know, y equals mx plus b, and point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. Now, I much rather prefer point slope form because that already gives you the y-intercept if you're solving, given some information. Alright, and as you know, here it's positive, negative, 0, and undefined slope. A 0 slope goes horizontally, undefined, which means it's some y value divided by 0. Alright, so we'll look quickly at problem 1. What is the slope of line B? So you pick the 2 points, negative 1, 2, 4, negative 2. So, as you know, it's going to be y1 minus y2, and x1 minus x2. So it's going to be 2 minus negative 2 and negative 1 minus 4. And when you simplify, you get negative 4/5. Alright, and the slope of line D, as you know, alright, so because it's a vertical line, you already know it's undefined. So your slope is going to be undefined. Alright, so for the got it, what is the slope? Just do letter A. What is the slope of line A? Alright, problem 2. What is the graph of y equals 2/3 x plus 1? Alright, so you know from y equals mx plus b, our m equals 2/3 and our b is 0, 1. So then we plot 0, 1 and we go up to the right 3 because it's a positive. Or you can go down to the left 3. Because negative 2 over negative 3 is also the same as 2 over 3. Alright, so why don't you try to got it letter B. Only letter B. Y minus 2 equals 1/3 times the quantity of x minus 4. Please graph that. Alright. Problem 3. What is the equation with slope with slope 3 and y-intercept of negative 5? So, if your slope is 3, then your m equals 3. If your intercept is negative 5, then b equals negative 5. So therefore, you got y equals 3x minus 5. To kind of give it to you there. Alright, so then the second one is the equation of a line through negative 1, 5 with slope 2. So you can use the y equals mx plus b form, or you can use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, so negative 1, 5, this is going to be our x1, and this is going to be our y1. So therefore, I'm going to have y minus 5, and our slope is 2 times x plus 1. Because that's a negative, it's going to be minus negative 1. Alright, so then, after I do everything, this is our equation. So I use point slope form. Alright, so why don't you try got it letter B. What is the equation of the line through negative 1, 4 with slope negative 3? Alright, and problem 4 asks you what is the equation of the line at the right. So I identified these 2 points, and first I got the slope. So I did 5 minus negative 1 over 3 minus negative 2. And I got my slope to be 6/5. And then after, I plugged it into point slope form. I used either one of these points, so I'm going to choose 3, 5. So y minus 5 equals m, which is 6/5, times the quantity of x minus 3. I use the 0.35 up here. where this was x1, this was y1. Alright, so what are the equations for horizontal and vertical lines? Well, first off, remember, if it's a vertical line, it has a zero slope. So that means if it's a zero slope, we're just looking at where it hits the y-axis. So that means y equals 4. So this is the line y equals 4. And this is the line x equals 2. So these are the two equations of the line. So why don't you try the got it up here, number 4a. Do the got it for 4a. And then do the got it for 5a up here, down here.